Hello everyone. In today's videos, I will discuss about lotion, creams and moisturizers. Lotion creams are very important and which is used during the cold season and when our skin is dry. So we used to use it. So the basic difference between lotion and cream is lotion is little bit less thicker and the cream is little bit more thicker. There are different kinds of lotion and creams we are using every day-to-day life, but for the basic introduction of lotion and creams, I can say this is a emulsion. What is emulsion? Normally we know this oil and water doesn't mix with each other, but if we use an emulsifying agent, it can mix both the oil phase and the water phase. What happens in the lotion and cream like the same way? For example, in the lotion and cream, we are using emulsifying wax, which can combine the oil phase and the water phase, and it can give us this texture of a emulsification. And we are using this lotion and creams. So basically, for the lotion and creams, the most important parameters are pH and viscosity. The pH, our skin pH, we have a range of products. For every product we are using, it needs to be tested with our skin. So this pH range of the lotion and cream, it should be 4.5 to 6.5. So in this range, any lotion and cream we can use like that way. Thank you.